and gentlemen.
Thank you so much, 7A. Listen, I want this to go on forever. Every time I hear you speak, I'm just like, I'm just gonna sit back, I'm observing, I'm just soaking it all in. You are feeding me. You know, it's that whole thing of we're pouring so much life into others, and we have to make sure that we're pouring life back. We're allowing life to be poured back into us, and that's exactly what you do every time I hear your voice. And I just thank you for showing up. I appreciate you for being here. I thank you for pouring out your message and how God has given it to you to give to us tonight. I just appreciate you. I love you. And I'm just excited that you're here. So thank you. Make sure, as a matter of fact, hold on, before I say make sure, how can everyone find you and connect with you and stay connected with you and work more towards becoming pretty healed? Okay.
So, guys, I love you, Tamika. Thank you so much. So you can go to Simone Walden. You see my name right here, SimoneWalden.com. And you can find, you type in Simone on any of the social media platforms, it's Simone Walden. So you can find me there. On TikTok, it's Simone Speaks. But just go look for me and then connect with me.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I'm adding it here to the screen so that you all can see it. SimoneWalden.com and Simone Walden across all platforms. Simone Walden is Simone Walden. Y'all Google her, okay?
Right.
So I'm excited. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, Simone, my sister. I appreciate you. I love you.
You
And I
welcome.
look forward to connecting and doing more. Like we're just getting started with this thing. We're just getting started. I'm excited. So thank you. I appreciate you. Make sure you all go and connect with Simone. Go connect. She's a gem.
All right.
Okay.
Love you.
Bye. Love you too. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Listen, if y'all didn't get fed with that presentation right there, with the, I don't even want to call it a presentation. I'm gonna call it a pastor, a sermon. As a matter of fact, I need to pass a collection plate, okay? Because she dropped some good gems upon us that is going to allow us to really move forward in our lives. If you didn't get a chance to write down each of the acronyms of the word pretty, go back through the notes here. I think I can call them out pretty quickly. I think Latasha, you did a good job of it, but just go back through the slides, or either just catch the replay because she's right at the beginning, so you won't have to go too far to tune in. So what are we going to do right now?